Leighton, Russ, Libby, Genesis, and Riley.
This is our story!
And it's called Railroad Elementary and the Pet Adventure.
Woo woo, chugga chugga choo choo. Woo woo, we love Railroad Elementary School.
I'm the mayor. I got an announcement. New rule. Hey kids, you can bring your pets to school.
Woo woo, it's so cool. This new rule, we get to bring our pets to school. All the kids wanted to bring their pets the very next day.
My name is Messi. I'm good at soccer whenever I play.
He brought his turtles covered in moss. We are named Small Sus.
Woo woo, chugga chugga choo choo.
All the pets were at school, such as Billy the Rhino. Ah, it's the principal, my bad.
I do not like being bit. I feel angry and sad. After this rhino attack, Billy, I want you to never come back.
Woo woo, chugga chugga choo choo. Woo woo, we love Railroad Elementary School.
I'm the principal. I have an announcement. New rule. Only one kid can bring their pet to school.
Woo woo, it's not cool. This new rule, we cannot bring our pets to school.
The mayor heard the news of the principal's blues, and the mayor understood. I'm sorry you got hurt, but everybody is being so good. I think everyone should bring all their pets.
I'll put a lock on my office so I won't get bit.
Woo woo, chugga chugga choo choo. All the kids brought their pets back to school. Everything